Um, Everybody, good morning. This is me again, Perfect Hacker 09. Today I'm going to teach you where to download webcam effects or videos. Okay, this is very simple. I'll teach you. First, there's the webcammax.com. Just go to that website and you can download it for free. But it's not free unlimited. It's a trial for 30 days. But you can use it for if the trial is done, you can uninstall it and install again, and you have a 30 days free. Just do that like that,